Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the language of the keyboard on your Redmi K70 Ultra phone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the keyboard on our phone. So we're going to find the place where you can open the keyboard on. So for me, I'm going to select this one. And once the keyboard is open, we can click on the cog icon, so to open up keyboard settings. And we can click on languages to add one of the languages on your phone. And then we're just going to click on add keyboard, and we're going to select a random language, so this one. Just adjust the keyboard layout, handwriting speed, all of these other settings, and once I'm done, I'm going to click on done, and you can see that the language has been added. But if you want to remove a language, you can just click on the pen icon on the top right, and then you select one of the languages and just click on the trash icon to delete it. And it has been deleted. So now if we come back to the keyboard, I can change the language by holding it and holding the globe icon and selecting a different language, and you can see that it changes. You have two languages right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.